Hey, it's AP, and today we're reviewing the Basecamp C14 cloth face mask. I use face masks a lot in the shop, especially when I'm sanding wood or cutting wood or sanding my 3D prints and resin models. I mean, nobody likes inhaling that stuff. Well, some people do, and that's what kept them out of the good schools. Now, one thing I hate about using regular masks is that they're disposable. So once they're done and dirty, you throw them away, and there's more crap in the landfills that we just can't afford to put in the landfills. So I was looking for a new reusable face mask. And coincidentally, Basecamp reached out to me a few weeks back asking if I would review their latest generation of cloth face masks. And I said, well, I need a new face mask, so why not? I will say that I'm not getting compensated with cash for this review, but they did give me 3 free cloth face masks because how else would I review them, right? A few things about Basecamp. They've been around since 2005, and last year they were rated a #1 seller on Amazon, so congratulations to you, Basecamp people. They have several generations of face masks available, ranging from the dusk masks with ventilation filters to what I'm going to be showing you today, which is their latest generation cloth face mask. These were created in response to help with the pandemic and providing people face masks that are safe, comfortable, and stylish to wear. I hope they're good in the shop too. We're going to find out about that shortly. So in the package, you get 3 masks. You get a dark blue, a dark green, and my favorite, black. Also in the package, you get 3 replacement adjusters. These are like little rubber things. We'll get to that in a second. All right, so on the mask, this is what the mask looks like. It's actually nice triple layer construction. It unfolds so it can fit different sized faces, which is really cool. There's also a pocket in here where you can put a filter. Filters are not included with this, unfortunately, but you can pick those up. You can use any old carbon filter. You can also use a paper towel folded up and stuffed in there, or even a coffee filter, are some things that people are using to add a layer of protection to their face masks. There's also these really great adjusters on here. This is what I love most about these, is that they can adjust to the size of my big noggin, or my daughter's little noggin, or my wife's little noggin. All kinds of noggin sizes can fit in these masks because of these adjusters. That's super cool. I love that. I call that a game changer. I don't know how many of you out there have been tying your elastics to fit more comfortably. Well, now you don't have to, because they solved that problem for you. How nice of them. They've also labeled each side. You have your left side and your right side, so you know how to put it on your face. Okay, and then, so I'm opening it up. All right, let's just adjust this a little bit for my big melon. All right. Now, what I like also about this, if you can hear me, there's also a metal piece in here that you can adjust for the bridge of your nose, which is super cool. That'll help with fogging glasses, which I wear glasses when I'm lazy and not putting in my contacts. And okay, so this is great because it covers and seals the whole mouth, the nose, because you know you're supposed to cover your nose, people, right? Cover your nose too. Cover your nose, and it covers your chin. So you have all kinds of great coverage here with this mask. You have a nice, comfortable and tight fit, snug fit. There you go. I look like I belong in the Foot Clan to fight the Ninja Turtles. Okay, so it fits comfortably. I feel like I can breathe as comfortably as I can in any other mask, although my cloth, my flannel backed masks are a little bit more challenging to breathe with after a long period of time. Okay, so let's go see how it handles the dust in the shop. All right, let's go sand something. All right, well that worked pretty good for shop purposes. I didn't feel like I was inhaling any of the sawdust or the primer dust that I was sanding off, so I call that a win. And even though it's a triple layer design, I didn't feel like I was suffocating. My face got a little warm underneath, but I mean that's to be expected because of all the layers that they have here to protect you. So that's actually not necessarily a bad thing. And these are great for going outside and grocery shopping or whatever you need to do during the pandemic. As long as you're doing it safely and wearing a mask, these are great to wear because they are very stylish. I mean, don't you want to be the best looking mask wearer there is at the Stop and Shop? It is important to note that there is a disclaimer on the package that these are not for medical use. So doctors, wear something, more powerful. Overall, I really like these masks. They were great for light shop use. If I was sanding fiberglass or working with something, noxious like resin, I'd probably stick with I definitely would stick with my respirator masks. But these are great for, light woodworking, sanding, 3D prints and things like that around the shop. Yeah, definitely recommend these guys. So to recap, adjustable straps, awesome. Space for a filter, awesome. Adjustable for various face sizes, really awesome. The cons, they weren't that many. I mean, the package doesn't come with filters, so that's not really a reason not to buy them. You can make your own filters, but it would have been nice to see an option where they did offer filters that come along with this. The other con is, while there is this nice flexible nose bridge clamp thing, when I did take it out with my glasses, it did steam up a little bit, so I had to keep on adjusting it. I have yet to find a perfect mask that will prevent your glasses from steaming up, so that's that. If you would like to try these for yourself, my wonderful friends over at Basecamp have given you awesome subscribers a 10% discount off of their 3-pack. The link in the discount code is below, so please take advantage of that. It is a limited time offer, so make sure you take advantage of it quickly. Although I think they have some great deals throughout the year, different discounts throughout the year on these masks. So whether you buy them from me or buy them and bookmark them and buy them later, that is fine. You can never have enough masks. Oh, I also forgot to mention, they're hand washable. Yes, you can wash these by hand after your adventures out or in the shop. You can clean them up by hand with soap and water, let them dry, and use them as if they were new. So, you can't go wrong with these masks. All right, that's my review. I hope you learned something new. I hope you take advantage of the offer that they have given you wonderful subscribers. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. I'm not just reviewing masks here. I'm also building models, and I'm building furniture, and I'm building robots, and all kinds of fun stuff that you're not going to want to miss out on. So give me a like, give me a subscribe. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stop planning and start making something.